My video guide is about removing the browser scam and the fake browser update alerts that come from the site Watchprecisesupertheproduct.vip. This is the pop-up that attacks Google Chrome browser. Once again, the name of the website is Watchprecisesupertheproduct.vip. The pop-up indicates that people need to download and install some urgent Chrome update supposedly to block ads. But this is the fake alert because this particular pop-up is a fake Chrome update alert. Its main mission is to force people into downloading and installing some unwanted extensions into the Google Chrome browser. For instance, as per now, the extension which is promoted is Movies Craver. It may function as adware, and in some other cases there may be extensions that may work as browser hijackers that may change some crucial browser settings. So when you see these pop-ups by the site Watchprecisesupertheproduct.vip, do not ever interact with them and do not install anything that they suggest, because your browser may be infected by adware or may be hijacked. Some of the settings may be hijacked because of such unwanted and fake Chrome updates. If you have mistakenly installed any third-party extensions, you should get rid of them. Access the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and remove any third-party extensions if you find them. Finally, to make sure that your computer is free of any other hidden threats, I strongly advise researching the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching and investigating your system to detect and delete all other threats that could possibly still remain on the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.